Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Coin Lady channel. We'll discuss XRP, but first I need to bring up a couple additional points. Hong Kong appears to have achieved its goal of becoming a global center for the cryptocurrency industry. It has been stated that in May of this year, the Securities Futures Commission of the region will provide guidelines for the licensing of cryptocurrency exchanges. What about everyday people, though? Those Bitcoin trading platforms that will soon be legally able to serve retail investors will benefit from the forthcoming laws. On June 1, this is likely to go into effect. Cryptocurrency exchanges can legally function in Hong Kong, but there are severe regulatory limits on the types of investors who can participate. Individuals with portfolios worth less than or equal to $1 million are particularly affected. It would appear that Hong Kong is beginning to relax its stance on crypto investment purchases. In the United States, though, we're headed in the opposite way. The SEC may eventually restrict cryptocurrency purchases to accredited investors solely. This is why I emphasize the need of maintaining our holdings. We may lose access to new cryptocurrency purchases in the future. No one can predict what will happen. For help with the IRS, Kraken has turned to the San Francisco court system. God bless us, everyone. This is a bad sign. Converting between different cryptocurrencies. Kraken has decided to battle the United States and the IRS over their demand for user data from the cryptocurrency exchange. The request for client information from the IRS was seen as an unlawful Treasury investigation by the trading platform. According to Bloomberg, the cryptocurrency exchange has urged a federal judge in San Francisco to step in and tell the IRS to back off. Kraken's response to the IRS demand for further user data comes after the agency issued a summons in February, seeking to identify Kraken accounts that transacted at least $20,000 in cryptocurrency trading in any calendar year between 2016 and 2020. I have mentioned this in several videos. To avoid any potential issues, I decided to declare my cryptocurrency holdings on my tax return. However, when I visit crypto Twitter, I find that the same things are being said. How much cryptocurrency I have is not the government's concern. Until there are clear guidelines, I have no intention of reporting or paying taxes on any cryptocurrency gains. However, this judge rules in favor of the IRS. Since the IRS had probable cause to investigate taxpayers who might not be disclosing Bitcoin gains, Judge Quarterly ruled that the summons sent to more than 14,000 customers of the exchange was not overly intrusive. And this isn't just about Bitcoin, you know. They are interested in the total value of your cryptocurrency holdings. This is why I mentioned I didn't want further difficulties, though. You're free to act in any way you see fit. Don't feel obligated to report it if you don't want to. However, you are responsible for any outcomes that may occur. After rising from the ashes, XRP on the Bittrex exchange promptly crashed to zero. Now, typically, we'd expect to see XRP glitching above the 10K range. As it turns out, users are reporting that a few hours ago, XRP unexpectedly dropped to near zero on the Singapore-based crypto exchange Bittrex, causing long positions to be liquidated. However, it seems that the market is acting responsibly. The following are the steps that Bittrex says they will take to fix the problem. To begin, the margin amount will be restored to users' accounts and all positions will be closed between 7:15 and 7:16 a.m. Secondly, all liquidated accounts will have their margin amounts refunded in full, and any losses will be reversed. Due to this, according to the data gathered at 7:15 a.m. UTC, the settlement price of XRP will be recorded at 0.4696, or around 47 cents. A stablecoin bill might pave the way for state crypto regulation. These statements have just emerged from the small group of pro-crypto lawmakers. Since New York Department of Financial Services Superintendent Adrian Harris has been advocating for empowering state regulators to charter stablecoin issuers, the GOP document makes several changes, including excluding algorithmic stablecoins and giving state regulators more power to charter stablecoin issuers. The next sentence is especially crucial since it suggests that the Republican measure will confirm that stablecoins are not securities and hence should not be regulated by the SEC. It's encouraging to see that these legislators are gradually taking authority away from Gary. Currently, Ripple and Pipple are working together to create a micro-investment platform that will expand across Kenya and the rest of Africa. The mention of instantaneous liquidity is a wonderful touch, and it suggests that XRP will be included into the system as well. Then, today we hear the groundbreaking news that Ripple and the Central Bank of Montenegro have officially launched their joint project. Once again, XRP is included in this. There may be a number of advantages to the new payment method. One potential benefit is that it might make international payments easier and cheaper for individuals and small enterprises. Without the need for middlemen or conventional banking systems, XRP enables instant and safe settlement of currency payments. And that's exactly what you're hoping to find. It's fantastic to witness Ripple's continuous development and expansion into new areas. But you insist that XRP be included. Then our investment would increase in value, and you and I would become wealthy. It's great to see progress, but check that XRP is still part of XRP. To fight spam transactions, the ledger has burned 11 million tokens. The token burning was always a given. But 11 million XRP tokens won't move the XRP price needle. But perhaps in the years to come more and more people will learn this the hard way. Increasing XRP worth in the long run. The CTO of Ripple provides 3 arguments against buying XRP at the open market. The XRP Ledger Automatic Market Maker, first announced in July 2012, will soon be made available to end users, providing XRP holders with an additional opportunity to profit by contributing liquidity to existing pools. But David says there are 3 reasons why you shouldn't keep XRP in an AMM. One possible source of loss is an implementation flaw in the AM code, which is unlikely but not impossible. Second, you need to have exposure to some other asset. If you choose an XRP USD AMM, for instance, you run the risk of losing money if the USD issuer you choose goes out of business. Third, you will be selling the entire time the price of XRP rises, preventing you from making as much money as you could have if you had just kept your XRP investments in the bank. In contrast, your potential loss from a large decline is reduced, and you may gain from market making and volatility. To be honest, I think today is a terrible moment to invest in XRP. Don't do anything except wait on the sidelines. Be optimistic and patient. The conclusion of this lawsuit might happen at any time, propelling XRP into a full-on parabolic trajectory and dragging the rest of the market along with it. That's why I've constantly stressed the need of safeguarding your XRP at this time. Standard Chartered's cryptocurrency custodian Zodia has raised $36 billion, with leadership from Ripple's strategic investor SBI Holdings. Standard Chartered, a British multinational bank, is expanding its cryptocurrency-related capabilities by raising more capital for its crypto platform. Zodia, while some US politicians and the SEC have made it clear that banks may not have any business dealing with cryptocurrencies, this is not the case elsewhere. Even more of them are becoming involved now. This European bank plans to accept Bitcoin, XRP, and other cryptocurrencies. So, through an upcoming collaboration with Europe's most popular cryptocurrency exchange, Bitpanda Bank, which is part of Austria's top banking group but whose name I still have trouble pronouncing, is the first big traditional bank in the European Union to enter the world of digital assets. When it comes to traditional EU banks, this one will be the first to offer cryptocurrency and other digital asset classes as part of its investment portfolio. It's encouraging to see more and more financial institutions throughout the world beginning to accept cryptocurrencies like XRP. In addition, the XRP ledger is where the revolution is taking place. As an XRP holder, I've always stressed the importance of keeping tabs on new developments on the XRP ledger, and this is a major development. Okay, XRP and medicine. The collaboration has the potential for rapid expansion, leading to the development of a healthcare ecosystem that is both financially viable and capable of providing high-quality care to millions of people across Africa at an affordable price. Constant Associates, the Bern Investment Group, and ZP Healthcare Africa have formed a formal collaboration, and Faster Capital, led by renowned investor Hisham Zedrake, has already pledged support for raising funds for merger and acquisition activity. By 2026, the powerful alliance plans to have positioned itself as the foremost healthcare provider, researcher, influencer, and health technology powerhouse on the African continent, thereby increasing the worth of ZPP to $1 billion. Sure, it probably began there, but today who can say? Over time, this can spread to other countries as well. Plus, I've predicted healthcare's meteoric rise for years. Consider this. We'll all need medical attention at some point in our lives, which is why it's such a big deal. However, there are a few things I'd like to bring up in today's video. One of them is that while it's exciting to witness Ripple's growth, it's much more exciting to witness XRP widespread adoption and increasing utility in the global economy. Ripple's I can't get fonder of you by deeds, you know. Because of this, it is crucial. As for the resolution of this issue, I pray it comes quickly. Then, XRP potential for growth may be realized. Since I'm sure most of you are sick of hearing about the case, I really didn't want to bring it up today. I've had enough of this discussion. I hope the judge will make a ruling soon so we can move on. That's what I'd like to see materialize, actually. But I'm going to end this video here. I appreciate everyone who has tuned in. Thanks to everyone who has seen my videos. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.